Alright, so it's starting to get very dark out, as you can see over there, and as you can see over there, it's getting very dark out because there's a thunderstorm heading this way. And it looks like it's going to head directly towards us. And it also became more severe since I saw it earlier. Over there it's dark, and over there it's dark. It looks kind of weird above us. And I think I don't know if that's thunder or not, but it might be thunder. So that's a sign this is going to be another bad one. If that is thunder. Because the storm is still about 50 to 60 miles away. As I said, it was still about 50, maybe even 60 miles away from here. And yeah, I'll keep another update on you if it gets really dark out here. And once the thunder starts to get loud,